Ano, nangita mi diri ah.
Okay.
Ya, sige ya.
Ay, gamit na
Sa
pangalan.
Messenger
Okay,
lang
so
na sila.
how are you today?
Yes, I'm fine.
Yes, that's
Messenger
very
na sila.
good.
Pwede ba na messenger?
Ina messenger sa aron kay gigamit ko sa Zoom. Okay? How
Oo.
are you today?
Messenger sila magkuhan. Pero sa kuhan gapon, doha, bali doha kasi cellphone gamit ma. Messenger ang isa sa kuhan.
Okay, I will send to you
So,
the
asa
link.
sa
Okay.
GW.
So I heard Donna that there is a storm coming.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Sige, sige.
Country?
Yeah, in your country, I heard there's a
Yung
storm.
messenger ka.
Storm.
Yeah, so there's a storm.
Yesterday, yes. Yeah, go to my country, my city, and no has a storm, but
Na.
Hanoi has the storm.
Yeah, in Hanoi, my students send me pictures of the effect of the storm.
Yes.
Okay, that's very good. Gaabre pa po tayo.
Asa mo? Balik mo to. Ano?
In the beginning, you position your Facebook. Ha? English yung gamiton? Oh, mas, una English, mas better. Wait lang, try na akong tanaw na. You have this one, just, asa yung imong tab? Asa yung imong tab? Kaya, English na yung
Não, đừng có đạp.
Okay?
Okay.
So next day. Okay, so day 24, the phone messages. Okay, so we have here vocabulary tono. We have here the word confirm. So when you say the word confirm, you need to confirm. You need to say yes or no. So confirm, it means say yes or no. Estimate. Okay. And then remind. So you have to remind something. You have to tell something. Okay. I remind you that you have to do this one. I remind you that you have to do this kind of technology. You have to do this kind of okay. So appointment. So it's a meeting. Naka-English na. The lever, what you will going to deliver. Okay na tayo, naka-English na. Okay, so these are the phone messages. Okay, now Tono, getting ready. Match the colors on the left with the messages on the right. Okay, please try to match the colors on the left with the messages on the right. Okay.
I finished teacher. Fitness teacher.
Okay, so you have here, so we have letter C, travel agent, letter A, dentist, letter D. Okay, so letter C, Tony and so cold. Letter C, to invite you to a party on Saturday. And the travel agent called to confirm your flight on Friday. Very good. And the dentist office called to remind you of an appointment. Okay, very good. Yes, great job. Okay. So mostly, Tono, what time or do you have day that you will gonna send message? What day you will gonna send message?
I feel is when I feel something is important and to someone, I will messenger to the person, or I free, I can talk with my friends and by messenger.
So it means you are gonna send message to your friend via messenger if there is important thing that you need to know. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, this one. Listen to these messages on Andre's voicemail. So Andre, this is Andre. Andre is trying to write a messages on the voicemail. Okay, please listen.
1.
Hello, this is Jim from Jim's Auto Repair. I'm calling about your car. I'm afraid it's not going to be ready until Friday. You can pick it up anytime after 4. By the way, the car radio isn't working properly. Do you want us to fix that too? Please give us a call today to confirm.
2.
Hi, this is your neighbor, Pat. ABC Express tried to deliver a package today, but you weren't home, so they left it with me. If you like, I'll bring it over tonight around 8 o'clock. Let me know if you'll be home.
3.
Hi, Andre. This is Susan. I'd like to invite you to my birthday party on Saturday. I hope you can come. Bring a friend if you like. I'll be out till late tonight, so I'll be in touch tomorrow to give you more details. Bye.
4.
This is Classic Records. The CD you ordered is in. Please come by and pick it up. Or if you like, we can send it to your office. Please let us know which you'd prefer.
5.
Andre, hi. This is Kathy. Sorry I missed you. Thanks for your invitation to dinner tomorrow. It sounds lovely, but unfortunately I can't go. I have to work late. I'll try you tomorrow morning again before 9. Bye.
6.
This is Dr. Costello's office. We're calling about your dental appointment. We cannot give you an appointment on Thursday, but we can give you one next Tuesday. Please give us a call to confirm.
Fitness teacher.
Okay. Pick up the car on Tuesday. So you have to pick up the car on Tuesday. Very good. Pick up the car on Friday afternoon, not Tuesday. Okay. Second, ABC Express delivered a package today. ABC Express delivered a package today. Next, Susan is inviting Andre to a party on Saturday. Correct. 4, the CD has arrived. The CD has arrived. And next, Kathy cannot go to dinner. Kathy cannot go to dinner. Okay. B, Dr. Costello can give Andre a dental appointment on Tuesday. Okay, very good. So it means you listen very well with what Andre's talking in the voicemail. Do you know voicemail, Tono?
Yes.
Okay, what do you mean by voicemail? It is?
Voicemail. It's a mail we say it to the people by word. We
Okay,
wrote
so,
the mail and we send to the person.
okay, that's voicemail. So you have two people who have voicemail, who have received, or you will gonna record, and then you will gonna hear that one. Okay. Yeah. Now listen to the messages of Susie's voicemail. This is another person. This is Susie. Susie is trying to call. So you have to listen the voicemail of Susie from different color. David, Peter Rogers, Mary, and Linda Wong. Okay, listen and write here the informations.
Okay.
If you want to repeat, please tell teacher, huh? You tell teacher, I want to repeat. I want to listen again.
Okay.
I don't know.
Unit 18, Telephone Messages, page 70. 2. Let's listen. Listen to the messages on Susie's voicemail. Complete the information about each call. 1.
Hi, this is David. Remember me? We met at Bob's party. David, you know, the one with curly blonde hair and green eyes. Anyway, just calling to say hello. I'd love to see you again. Can you call me tonight? My number is 981-2146. I'll be home after 9. Thanks. Bye.
2.
Hi, Susie. This is Mary calling. Sorry I missed you. I've got some really interesting news. It's about that cute blonde guy we met at the party. Why don't you call me? I'm at my mom's place. The number is 461-5793. Try to call me between 6 and 7 tonight. Bye.
3.
Hello, I'm calling for Susan. My name's Peter Rogers. That's Rogers from Morningstar Travel. I'm calling about your plane reservations. Please call me back at 391-6451. The best time to reach me is between 2 and 6 p.m. Thanks.
4.
Hello, this is Linda Wong. Susie, could you call me on Saturday in the morning or afternoon? Do you have my number? In case you don't, it's 536-8775. Thanks. Bye.
Okay, again.
Unit 18, Telephone Messages, page 70. 2. Let's listen. Listen to the messages on Susie's voicemail. Complete the information about each call. 1.
Hi, this is David. Remember me? We met at Bob's party. David, you know, the one with curly blonde hair and green eyes. Anyway, just calling to say hello. I'd love to see you again. Can you call me tonight? My number is 981-2146. I'll be home after 9. Thanks. Bye.
2.
Hi, Susie. This is Mary calling. Sorry I missed you. I've got some really interesting news. It's about that cute blonde guy we met at the party. Why don't you call me? I'm at my mom's place. The number is 461-5793. Try to call me between 6 and 7 tonight. Bye.
3.
Hello, I'm calling for Susan. My name's Peter Rogers. That's Rogers from Morningstar Travel. I'm calling about your plane reservations. Please call me back at 391-6451. The best time to reach me is between 2 and 6 p.m. Thanks.
4.
Hello, this is Linda Wong. Susie, could you call me on Saturday in the morning or afternoon? Do you have my number? In case you don't, it's 536-8775. Thanks. Bye.
Okay, so you have it already?
Yes.
Okay, so name first. We have name of the color. We have David. Okay, David S. Okay, David S. Okay, telephone number 981-2146. Very good. Best time to call after 9 p.m. Okay, so it means David is a night person. Okay, 2. Mary, 461-5793. 461-5793 between 6 to 7 p.m. Oh, quite early done, David. Name of the caller, Peter Rogers. 391. Okay, 36491. Correct. 6491, not 51. Okay. 2 to 6 p.m. Quite early than Mary's. Next is the last is Linda Wong. Okay, 536-8775. Okay, very good. So, it is on Saturday. There is no specific time. Maybe it's 7 p.m. on Saturday. So, the last one who called is 9 p.m. It's Susie's voicemail. Susie voicemail. Okay? Okay. So Susie is the latest who want to be called late. Okay. She wants to be contacted later already. Okay. Now, Tono, I have questions. So you have to answer me with this one. Okay. You can see what you can see in the screen.
I see the people for the
okay, the
in the coffee shop, the people apartments into the coffee shop, tonight, and the coffee shop with the some coffee and the weather.
Okay. Okay. So do you usually have phone messages? Of course, you can see in here there is weather. Very good. Clear on Monday, it's coffee shop and there is a weather here. Now, do you usually have phone messages in your cell phone? Do you have phone messages?
Not usually, but often.
Okay, not often. Like in Zillow. Do you have Zillow? Tono is your Zillow, right? The one I contact. Is that your Zillow account?
Zillow account.
Yeah, that one, the one I contact, Tono, the one I send message. Is that yours or your mom?
Mine. It's mine.
Wow, oh, that's good. That's why I contact you then. So you have JLo account. So in your JLo account, okay, so you will gonna have friends? Do you have many friends in JLo?
Yes. I have some friends in my Dillon and my parents.
Okay. Okay, so next one. Okay, what is the most important call that you have missed? Example, your parents calls you and you were not able to answer that. What is that most important call?
The most important call. I don't have it. The most important call. Important. I think is about I go to study or something, but I don't missing in the code.
Okay. So the most important is you miss. What did you miss again? You missed?
I mean, important code is I study or the time I had to take a nap or eat lunch.
Okay. So who calls you that one? Sometimes I call you. I ring your Zillow. Okay, that's what I
Yes.
like you, Tono, because you're very active. You really want to learn. You are active. You keep on taking me, teacher. Where are you? Okay, that's very good, Tono. Teacher Anne, really appreciate that one. You are very responsible girl. Okay, so your mom calls you. How about when you go to school? Did you bring phone?
No,
Okay,
because
phone
my dad
phone is
don't.
allowed in your school or no?
In my school, when I can bring my phone, but my dad uh told me that you shouldn't bring your phone because if you study in your class has the code into your phone is very noisy in the class.
Okay, so it can disturb. That is what your dad means. So it can disturb.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so it can disturb you. Yeah, I understand. Okay, next one. Okay. Instead of voicemail, do you use any application to leave messages? What applications do you have?
I have only Zero.
Okay, you have Hello. Okay. Okay, so Skype you didn't have. Facebook you
Yes, because Skype, people I don't have.
okay. Hey, this one. Okay, post speaking. Leaving a message on the voicemail based on the informations. Okay, so it's situation one. Okay, so please try to, from the postman to the customer, delay the delivery, the reason of heavy snow. Okay, please try to write on something about from the postman. Example, you are the postman. Do you know postman?
Yes.
Okay, the one who is postman?
Who the postman is a person and give the mail.
Okay. Postman is a person who leave the mail to your house, who bring mail to your house. Okay? So now, so you example, you are the postman and you will gonna explain to your customer, Tono, that there is the delay of delivery. Reason, it's heavy snow. Okay? Please write. Just simple message. Sorry, I am the postman. Sorry, your package or your letter is delayed because what is the reason? Okay, you write in the chat box.
Okay.
That is the first situation.
Happiness teacher.
Okay, so let me see. Okay, hello, customer's name. This is Express Delivery. Sorry, your orders have a problem during transport. Transport. Okay, this one. Transport. We'll fix this and reorder. Okay, we are sorry. We are so sorry. You can say very good, Tono. We are so sorry. Okay, for this problem. Okay, very good. Please check for this. Sorry. Okay, very good, Tono. We are so sorry for this problem. Your grammar construction is correct. This is Express Delivery. Sorry for your orders. Your orders have a problem. Okay, during transport. We are so sorry about this problem. We'll fix this and reorder. Bye. Okay, wow. Oh, at least you know. Very good. Okay, so situation 2. From mother to son, come back home to take part in grandfather's birthday next Saturday. Okay, please write to your son. You are the mother and you write to your son. You tell that you have to take back home on Saturday because it's grandfather's birthday. How you will gonna say that?
Okay. Happiness teacher.
Up here. Dear my son, hi. Son's name, your mother is here. Are you free next Saturday? Very good. Because your grandfather's birthday will start on that day. If you are free, please tell me to prepare. Love your son. Okay, your mother. Okay, very good. Okay. Don't forget the verb. Okay, RS like that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, but your sentence, your letter is correct. Very good. Oh no, great job. Okay, so here, last one. Situation 3. From the librarian. You know librarian? Do you know librarian?
What is
Librarian is the one who takes care of the library.
librarian?
Okay, librarian is the one who takes care of the library. Remind to return the books. Friday best time, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. So, the librarian will remind Paul to please return the book. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Hmm. Con sẽ được xin mắn cho em biết. Wow. Wow. Thế thì của anh biết. Mặt này là nó của anh. Minsan manangin Paris ni Joshua ma. Okay. Karen. Hindi. Parang Roman. Karen.
I finished teacher. I finished teacher.
Let me see. What's the last? Okay, so hi Paul, this is the librarian. Please return the books back to the library. Very good. Remind this, if you return the books on Friday. If you return the book, please do it on Friday. Best time from 2 to 4 p.m. Very good. Okay, if you return the book, please do it on Friday. Best time from 2 to 4 p.m. Okay, wow. Great job, Tono. Okay, yay. Okay, thank you so much, Tono, for today. Great job for doing your best. Okay, so tomorrow you are going back to school. What will be your school time?
Yes.
What time?
In afternoon.
Morning. Do you have morning?
I don't have morning. I have at noon. 12:30.
12:30 to until what time?
To 5
p.m.
p.m. Yes.
And then Tuesday?
Tuesday is 2. And on Friday I have tea in the morning 7 from 7 to 9:14.
7 to 9.
Yes. Friday. But we have class in evening.
Oh, there's a class in enemy. Okay. There's Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. What is your class? Morning or afternoon?
From Monday to Thursday, I have afternoon. And Friday, I have morning and afternoon.
Okay. So at least you have free time, okay, to do your task, to do your homework. You are free. So in the Wednesday and Friday afternoon, but Monday afternoon also. Tuesday morning? Afternoon also.
Yes.
Okay. So I hope you're doing great. How about your classmates? How are they? Are they friendly?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Wow. Are you happy with your class? Oh, why are you laughing? How are you happy with your classmates?
Yes.
Your classmate is there. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? You're happy. Why?
Yes.
Why?
Because I think I go to new school has many new places and many new friends.
Okay, you have new friends. I have many new friends. Okay, but you told me you've got 3 friends. Okay, are you with your sister? You're beside with your sister?
Yes.
How old is your sister? Show me your sister.
Yes, she's here.
Oh, why? What's that?
Together with
hello. Oh, your sister is
yes,
playing.
she used the cell phone. She don't care everything.
She doesn't care. She doesn't. She doesn't. Okay. She doesn't care everything. Okay, Tono, thank you. And I will see you on Friday. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, Tono. God bless.